How's everyone doing? So I never really finished with giving you the update on the Beta 125 RRS as far as what did it cost for me to own that bike for the time I had it. I have some notes here and I'm just going to go over some of the costs so it gives you an idea, what I bought it for, how much I sold it for, and what the various parts cost, what my a dollar per mile for use was, and all that good stuff. So bear with me here, it might be a little bit of a long video, but I think it'd be pretty interesting for y'all to know what it costs. One thing I would like to point out first though is we're in a hot bike market right now. Like there's no bikes on dealership showroom floors. Everyone has gone out, bought bikes, side-by-sides, ATVs. You go into my local dealerships, there's not much there, not much selection right now. So that means prices are high at this moment in time. So if you have a bike sitting around that you're like, well, maybe I should sell it, this is probably a good time to sell it because slim pickings if somebody wants to get a bike to ride. So my purchase price of the Beta 125 RRS was $4,475.12. Taxes and stuff, $263.42. OHV tag, $25.25. That brought my total to $4,763.79. Then I have the various parts I added to the bike. Now the parts I actually paid out of pocket for now. As you know, I had some parts already, like the Voyager. I already had that. That was just sitting on a shelf, so that didn't cost me anything. It was actually given to me by Trail Tech a number of years ago, and I've just had it on my shelf just sitting there because I run the Voyager Pro, and I have for quite a few years now. So I bought I made a skid plate and case cover. The material was $40.58. The generic XR650R brake master cylinder, to fix the front lever, the brake feel, was $17.10. I got that on eBay. The big bore kit, which was a 150cc plus the stage 1 cam, that was from SK Parts. That was $144. I got a discount on that. The Tusk brake line was $46. The Tusk Chub bars and grip glue was $49. The K&N Oil Filters was $25.70. The generic handguards I got, they were only $25.99. The brake light banjo boat was $7.99. The bar adapters were $25.70, and those were just the Chinese ones because the Pro Taper ones did not work on this bike. The skid plate hardware, for the stainless screws and all that, bulk, but I mean, this is the whole packet I have, so I still have some, was $20.88. The same for the material, that was just the total cost. Kind of hard to figure out what I cut out, but because I bought it just for this bike, we'll just include that into the total. Then I had the sprockets. I bought the 65 tooth sprocket and the 13 tooth front sprocket. That was a total of $92.98. Those sprockets are crazy money, but you have to get them right from Beta, unfortunately. So that brought the total to $495.92, which brought the total bike ownership to $5,259.71. Now, if you were going to add the Voyager unit and the Voyager protector, because I actually had the case for it to protect it, the Voyager, I looked it up, was $252.45, and the Voyager protector is $110.63. Rear tire, $44.99, but that tire never really used. Craigslist ad was $5, and my insurance I estimated at $20 to add this bike because I already have 2 other bikes on a policy. So roughly if I'm just taking without figuring in that last stuff, insurance, Craigslist ad, I lost $459.71 by selling the bike for $4,800. That's what I sold it for. That's what I asked for it. Somebody came out and they paid the full price. So I got lucky there, and I bought the bike for $4,475, but I did a lot to it, and obviously I had my tax and stuff, so so I lost a little bit. I roughly, that was about how many miles I had on the bike. I think my mileage came to like, up for ownership, 92 cents a mile, which is not bad at all. So the Beta 125 RRS, light bike, a good beginner bike, so not too much power, you're gonna go crazy. It sits pretty low stock, but they sell a lower seat and a lower link kit, so you can have that even a lot lower, which is going to compromise your off-road ability because you're not going to have that ground clearance. But you can make it lower for vertically challenged people, and some people, like the people that came out and looked at it, they were actually considering possibly, even though she seemed to sit fine on the bike, looking at getting the lowering link kit, or maybe both, and the seat, and going from there. Yeah, I mean, basically I sold that bike the same day I posted it. The $5 for Craigslist paid off. I was kind of like, oh my god, they make you pay for this now? It's been a while since I've sold something, but I had a lot of response the same day. I chalk that up to the world we're living in right now, and for whatever reason everyone's going to buy stuff, and dealerships aren't getting their imports in. Dealers aren't restocking their supplies, so their showrooms are pretty empty, plus people seem to just be buying to buy, and I guess just to get out and do stuff. What better way to social distance than to be on a bike? You're not around people. If you're wearing a helmet, which I hope you are, then you have that protection, I guess, and rule if you need to go into a gas station or whatever. So that's good, and typically, even when you're meeting with friends, they're on their bike, you're on your bike. So how much better than riding to get social distancing? I mean, so get out there and ride, because it's fine. So the bike didn't cost me much to own, and maybe that will give some YouTubers out there like hope, like, hey, if I buy something and use it, am I going to get my money back? It all depends what you buy. I think I kind of got lucky with the economy we're in, but if you were to do something probably up through until next year, maybe even a little longer, because it's going to take a while for supplies for dealerships to restock those showrooms, even if things tomorrow magically clear up, which they're not. You're probably okay with buying something if you find it, and if you can get a good deal at a dealership, for whatever reason, although I don't think they're going to really deal right now, then you could do a bike review like I did and have some fun on a bike and make some videos. Now, will those videos pay out for me in the long run, or I'll cover that loss? No. Bike videos just don't make it, unless you're a huge channel, a racer that has a big following. Typically, you're just not going to recover on bike videos. I mean, if you're lucky, maybe you're going to make a few bucks every month on a video, and if you have a lot of videos, that adds up, but good luck. I mean, I find doing a high chair review, I'll actually make more. If I did a review on this lamp over here, for some strange reason, I'd probably make $100 over time. Why? I don't know, because everyone's looking up desk lamps more so than bike videos. That's just how it is. That's the nature of the beast. So not to knock any people out there that want to do YouTube, but let's be honest here. You'll make more doing ceiling fan reviews and bed reviews and you name it. Something that's a common everyday product versus a motorcycle, which seems to be really niche. And then when you get to dual sport off-road, even more niche, unless for some reason you're a very talented rider, you're a racer, you have a following, and all that. I mean, good luck. And that's all I have to say. Good luck if you can pull it off. But yeah, I'll stick to doing motorcycle stuff because that's my hobby. At the same time, I'm going to continue to branch out into other avenues because that's actually where I make money, which then lets me buy bikes or buy a new bike or do gear review or product review, you know, stuff that I find fun. But without the other videos I do, I wouldn't be able really to jump into doing product reviews and bike reviews and all that because they're paying for my hobby of the other stuff. So it is what it is. So anyways, hopefully you found this interesting. Hopefully you found that me riding the Beta 125 RRS, the 2019 model, was interesting, and you continue to watch my videos. The biggest help you can do to a channel is if they have an Amazon affiliate link. And most of us shop on Amazon nowadays for stuff, even your everyday stuff. Just click the link and go browse around and buy what you typically buy. And because you went through my link, I get a commission off that. And it's not much, depending what you buy. If you buy a smoker, for example, like I did a review on from Camp Chef, if you were to go buy a smoker, I think I got like 65 bucks from Amazon. So hey man, if you are looking for a smoker, go buy one through my link and I will actually make a little bit of money then. So if a YouTube channel has an Amazon affiliate link, click it and support them that way. I'm okay with you having ad blockers on channels. I do it. I forget there's ads. So, you know, if you do it, hey, I don't really mind. Just go and visit that Amazon affiliate link because that really helps out. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. You all stay well, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.